Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. So we need to put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cubic root. So we have 9x minus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u to the power of 3. We have 3u squared du. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have 9 dx. Because first derivative of the constant, you got about 0, so that's why we just have only number 9 in here. Because we don't have number 9, so we need to divide both sides by number 9. This one we change by u. The x we change by this one. U squared divided by u, you got about u. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and we put about c. Number 3 and number 2, you got about 6. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.